reaction. I was in first year university in McGill, and I was just so captivated by it, captured by it, if you will. Out of the seemingly liquid mess, and the very material stockings are made from. I completely agree.
Mom Chen, you need to pour 10 milliliters of the 0.5 molar hexamethylenediamine into the 50 milliliter that contains the 0.5 NaOH. That's way too big. Okay, now pour 10 milliliters of the 0.2 cetyl chloride. Oh, careful, you want to avoid mixing. Cool. I made a nylon. Nice. So let's start part C of the lab. Where?
I'm pretty sure Mom Chen knows what she's doing. She's quite a good student.
It must be difficult to remain impartial. I have a son 2 grades older than I am, so yeah, I know what it's like. But aren't you the only one teaching organic this semester?
Unfortunately, yes. Annalise is actually just taking the class for the fun. You see, there was an odd number of students in the class, and I needed there to be pairs for the lab, obviously. So she volunteered. She took the course this past summer at another stage up. The school wanted me to teach her, but I refused. As impartial as I try to be, and as high as the ethical standards to which I hold myself, you simply cannot rid yourself of mother's love, maternal instinct, the natural desire to protect your child, especially when you have only one. For years, I thought we were sterile. Then she came along. I was 43. I never thought this would happen. She's a miracle. Such a blessing. No, there's one thing to teach my students beyond the curriculum. It would be that the best things in life are worth the wait. Oh, I always tell my job that.
Oh, it's fine. I think I've got 10 milliliters of cetyl chloride to the hexamethylene diamine anyway.
What do you mean you think you have to add 10 milliliters? I'm not even going to bother to add analysis.
Well, kind of. I mean, not really.
Well, where's the head?
Oh, I don't remember.
Well, I won't force the 7 gram chloride until you tell me.
96?
Wow, that's awesome. It must be nice having a mom with unlimited office hours.
Well, I wouldn't exactly call them unlimited, but it sure has its perks. But there's more to me than just Helga van der Hayden daughter. I'm Annalisa.
I would like to get to know this.
Be careful, Mother hates messes. She's kind of neat too.
Man, this is cool. Does your mom ever show you this experiment?
Mom doesn't really bring her work home. Well, she's not chemistry prof, she's just mom. In fact, unless I need help, I sometimes actually talk about chemistry. I guess you could say there's more to mom than just chemistry prof.
Yeah, I know. She's brilliant and flexible. Physics and calculus.
She taught one humanities course as well, on Dutch architecture, between 1979 and 1982.
And she doesn't teach any of those sujets anymore?
Chemistry has always been Mother's first love.
And she got to go to Princeton, but you don't need that.
How do you know all these things about my mom?
Internet?
Well, yeah, because of me. I feel awful. I told her she should just go follow her dreams, but she wouldn't listen. She said, I don't follow my dreams, I follow my heart. Being with her family was more important to her than her own personal success.
Oh, no, well, I would never be able to but what can I say? I don't have good enough morals. Then again, very few surpass your mother in morals.
I wouldn't be able to do it either. She prefers to see herself as ethical. She's always been there for me, pushing me to the limit to see how far I could go. I have to attribute a lot to her not so gentle legend. Her and Dad showed the shining examples of her success in education through me. They're really great.
You're a lucky girl.
Would you please leave my boyfriend alone? I'm
Marissa,
sorry. Greg.
am I not allowed to talk to a member of the opposite sex other than you?
I know what flirting looks like.
Marissa, you are such a bitch.
I'm sure you feel the exact same way if I was found someone else. Which, by the way, I can get away with easily.
Actually, Marissa, I don't know what I feel anymore.
Come on, Greg. We're the pres and the vice pres, the perfect team.
You're more than just a public image, Marissa. You're a very charming girl, and I'm sure you will have no trouble at all finding a sexy Brazilian guy.
You don't realize what you're doing to me now, do you, Greg? I love you. Why would you do this to me?
So, Annalise, how about you calculate the average culinary mass of the product?
Thank you very much.
Looks like there's chemistry in the lab beyond what's going on in the beaker.
That little Pris Annalisa thinks she can get her icky hands all over my Greg? How disgusting. She thinks she's so much better than us because her mom is Dr. Vanderheiden. She thinks she can capitalize on her mommy's connection to get what she wants out of life to get into her bed. How disgusting. And she acts so sweet and innocent about it too. Could you believe that girl, that bitch?
It's just awful. But don't worry, in 30-something years, Greg will realize that she'll be just as ugly and repulsive as her mother.
Now this is why I love you.
Trust me. Her mommy dearest won't be around forever. Even much longer by the looks of it. And then what is poor little Annalisa gonna do, huh?
Marissa, how could you say such a thing? She is such a sweet lady. Looks are important, but to me, Dr. Vanderheiden is a remarkably beautiful woman. Definitely, it's genetic.
Ew.
Marissa?
Yeah.
I ask a question?
Sure.
On question 3 here says for each polymer what functional groups changed. Do you know what that is?
Well, first, you have to look at the FITRs of the polymers you produce. And by functional groups, she means what kind of organic molecule. Is it an alcohol, an aldehyde, an ester, a ketone? This can be determined by the arrangement of non-carbon atoms in the chain.
Thanks. I'm such a dense.
Oh, Charlotte, it's okay. You're so much on your mind, I know.
She drew everywhere.
Oh my god, she is so smart. She wants to go into medicine.
Oh, I know.
She asked what a functional group was. That is the whole course.
Don't worry, if this sky will fall before that girl ever gets into medical school.
Oh my god. Mary, get this. Mary told me that last year she tried out for an exec position at the medical science club.
My cousin was on the committee. They interviewed her, but laughed their heads off the second she left the room. Who is she kidding?
Honestly, Delphine, why was you talking about her? Like she's even at our level. Let's change the subject.
How about Annalisa and Greg? Do you seem to be getting pretty cozy over there?
I know, and she's not even doing anything about it. That is not how things work. You cannot flirt around with people's boyfriends like that.
It is inappropriate. It's unethical.
You mean immoral.
Aren't they the same?
Some philosophers say yes, others say no.
Right, well, immoral, like if Charlotte were to ever become a doctor. It's just wrong because she is so incompetent. It wouldn't even be fair to her patients. It's wrong to have a doctor who does
I wish I knew the